Hi guys, well, my dad told me to do this. He was thinking of doing this project about this metal box. I don't know if you can see that, it's not focusing, but right now he has a bunch of like stuff here. I don't know what. So this is my dad's granddad's box. So my great granddad Brian. Me and my dad don't know anything about this, but they gave it to him. It's pretty cool as well. It's pretty old as well. It has a bunch of muck in it right now. We'll change. We might clean it up. So anyway, that's it right now. I'll just do this so you can have a little look if it focuses. Anyways.